The Indigenous Support Line provides navigation support and helps to reduce barriers for any Indigenous person that may be calling. Indigenous Support Line started from a request that came forth from our AHS Wisdom Council. There was a member in the north that had heard about a concern that had happened in one of the facilities and that it wasn't a culturally safe experience for one of the patients that was trying to receive care. And so she had raised this to the Wisdom Council members, and they had all agreed, that there had to be something better.
A lot of our callers call with in crisis, and they have complex needs, and it's nice to see the listeners be able to hold space to listen to that call, to listen and validate their feelings, and as well move forward in helping them navigate the system and reach the patient's goals.
It's a nice way to access a lot of people in remote communities that don't have a lot of resources, or maybe perhaps not aware of resources they could access. Or just to support Indigenous people in any way that we can.
People do need those supports because the language barrier, and sometimes they even face racism, and they feel they aren't being listened to, so they turn around and they'll go home. When they do call the support line, they feel like they're being listened to.
I strongly believe in the Indigenous Support Line, and that it's a place to call often when they have nowhere else to go.
It's welcoming, it's safe. We're with you on that journey throughout. We ensure that you're connected before we end our relationship, and we learn with you.
I'm proud of our team and how we all support one another.
We currently have 3 FTE staffing. They're all Indigenous Esqueo, so Indigenous women, but they're also trained health professionals. So we have the combined cultural backgrounds that they bring along with their professional clinical experience, and so it's been created a really nice balance to be able to not only be able to provide assessments, but also have a good understanding for where our Indigenous people might be coming from and being able to support them in a culturally safe way.